Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 4 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. So the force restart could be useful if, for example, your watch is unresponsive or something is not working on it properly, and you could try to restart it and hopefully that will solve your problem. And to force restart your watch, you need to press and hold the upper button and keep holding it for about, I would say, 10 seconds. So press and hold the button. Okay, after some time the watch will turn off and you can release the button, and at this point the watch should be turned off, as you can see. And to turn it back on, press and hold the upper button again and keep holding it until you see the Garmin logo on the screen. And then you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. As you can see, we're in the system now, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.